Alright guys, so in the last video we went and installed all the plugins that I believe are absolutely essential and necessary for your WordPress website. Now in this video we are going to install some optional plugins which I would very highly recommend, especially if you're following along in my bootcamp training and you want to create your website to look exactly like mine. So the first plugin that we're going to install is called Pretty Link. Now what Pretty Link does is it allows you to make any link basically go through your website, through your web domain. So I'm just going to show you an example here. So this site right here, this is one of the products that I sell, one of the opportunities that I sell. And so in order for me to get credit for the sale has to be made through somebody who clicks on this exact link. And this link is tracked to me. But the problem is that when I share this link with somebody, it's not very attractive, right? It's not branded to me, and also it's very difficult to remember because in order for me to get credit for the sale, it has to be this exact link with this number and everything in here. And so what I do is I use Pretty Link to clean up the links. So what you can do is you can make a messy looking link like this look much more attractive and much more easier to remember. And so as an example, my pretty link for that particular affiliate link is meetjohnnyfriesen.com/my top tier business. Much easier to remember, right? And much more attractive. It looks much more professional because it's going through my website, just like all of my other links. And so when I send somebody, as an example, if I would send this link to somebody through an email, this looks much more enticing and much more attractive and much more trustworthy than just a messy link like this. So if we actually go and visit this link, you'll see that it actually redirects to my affiliate link right here. And that's what Pretty Link allows you to do. And in addition to the benefits that I kind of mentioned already, it has actual SEO benefits as well, search engine optimization benefits, because people who end up clicking on your affiliate link are actually going through your website, right, through your domain, and that's going to give you Google is going to like that. Google likes seeing lots of visitors coming to your website, and when they see a lot of people visiting your domain, they're going to start to bump up your rankings in order to bring more people to your site, because if they see that a lot of people are already coming to your site, then they deem that it has to be good stuff, right? So let's go ahead and actually install this plugin onto your blog. So we'll head over to the dashboard, and then we will go to plugins and add new. Now there is a pro version, a paid version of Pretty Link, but they also have a free version, and the free version is all I have. It really does everything that you need it to do. Alright, so we're going to search for Pretty Link. Pretty Link Lite. This is the free one. This is what you want. So we're going to go ahead and install that. And activate. So now we're actually going to go and create a Pretty Link so that basically you can kind of see how it works. So let's go and find my messy affiliate link there again. So if I take this link and copy it, and then we're going to go into Pretty Link here, and we are going to actually add a new Pretty Link. So we're going to click on right here, create one. And what I'm going to do is I am going to make it a 301 permanent redirect. Now the target URL, this is the URL that the user is going to end up visiting, which is my affiliate link right here. And what they're actually going to type in, or the link that you are going to be sharing with people, is your Pretty Link. So This one is going to end up being www.agreeneffect.com/my top tier business. And I'm going to name that my top tier business. And notes, I'm not going to worry about that. Advanced options, you don't really have to worry about that either unless you start to really create a lot of pretty links and you want to actually organize them into groups. You can add create groups here and just keep all your links kind of organized. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create this link and then we're going to try it out just to show you how it works. So now if we go to
where you invest just $7 today
agreeneffect.com/my top tier business. And there you go. It redirects right to my affiliate link. So that is it for that one. Now, the next one that we're going to install is called Easy Facebook Lightbox. So we're going to go back to plugins here, add new. And then we'll do a search for Easy Facebook Lightbox. All right, so this is the one that we want right here. So we're going to click on Install Now. And activate. So guys, the rest of the plugins that we're going to install in this video we're not going to do anything with them for now. We're not going to mess with the settings. I'm not going to really go into really a deep explanation of all the plugins. What we're going to do is we're just going to install them so that way the plugins are installed on your website. And then as we start to really build your website and start making it look cool and start adding pages and sidebars and menus and stuff like that, that's when we are going to start actually using these plugins. And then you'll get to learn how they work and all that kind of stuff and what they're for. So that's what we're going to do. The next one that we're going to install is called Q2W3 Fixed Widget. So we'll go back to plugins and add new. Q2W3 Fixed Widget. So we'll click on Install Now on that one as well. And activate. And the next one that we are going to install, click on Add New again. The next one's called YouTube Channel Gallery. Now, you may or may not have a YouTube channel right now, and if you don't, that's perfectly fine. That will come yet if you do decide to use video marketing in your business. If you decide not to, that's fine as well. But for now, just stick with me and download this plugin as well. So that is this one right here. So we will go ahead and install that. And click on Activate. And now we have 2 more to go. So the next one that we are going to do is called SumoMe List Builder. This is a pretty cool plugin that I just recently started using, so I'm super excited to actually get into it and show you guys what this is all about. And that's going to be coming in the next couple of videos here. So, SumoMe List Builder. So apparently I cannot find this plugin inside of WordPress here, so we may just have to Google it and actually download it and manually add it to our website. So we'll see if we can find it on Google. That is, yes, this is the one right here. So we're just going to click on download right there. And then that's going to download it into my downloads folder. And then I'm going to move that. I'm going to move that file over to my desktop so that way it's easy for me to find. And then we'll go back to our WordPress website. And we can manually upload a plugin here. Yeah, right there, add plugins. We're going to upload plugin. So then what you do is just scroll down a little ways, click on choose file, and I move that over to my desktop. So we'll find that file, select it, and install now. And then we'll just scroll down to the bottom and click on activate plugin. And the next one, the last one that we're going to install is called Opt-in Skin. Now, Opt-in Skin is a paid plugin. I think it costs around 20 or 30 bucks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and head over to the sales page here. Now, Opt-in Skin is an optional plugin. You don't need to have it. What Opt-in Skin does is it creates sign-up forms on your website, so that way people can actually join your email newsletter, right? That way you can build your list, and that's how you're going to make money, really. And we'll get into more of the details of all this later on. If you do not want to invest the $30 right now, I would highly encourage you that you do. But if you don't want to, if you literally don't have another dime to invest, that's okay. There are other ways that you can do this for free. They're less attractive ways, right? What Opt-in Skin is going to let you do is it's going to let you create very attractive, very enticing sign-up forms. And that's really going to increase your conversion rate, right? So more people are going to end up signing into those more attractive looking forms. But that being said, there are ways to create these forms for free, and I will show you that as well when we get to the section on Aweber. So we're just going to go ahead and head over to that sales page here. So this is the plugin right here. So you can see it's got a lot of cool features. It integrates with all kinds of different autoresponder services, mainly Aweber, which I think, in my personal opinion, is the best one, and that's what we're going to use. So we're just going to scroll down here and okay, so it's a little more than I thought it was. It's actually $67 for a single website, and unlimited sites is $97. This is the one that I have, but this is really all that you're going to need for now, right? So I already have this plugin. Obviously, I've already bought it, so I have it on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this plugin to my WordPress website. So if you want to go for this, just click on Add to Cart and go through that transaction, download the file, and then come back to this video, and we will upload that plugin into your website. All right, so we're going to click on Add New Plugin once again. And click on Upload Plugin. And scroll on down and do the same thing again. Choose File. This file, I believe, is in my downloads. So we're just going to find that. That's this guy right here. So we'll install it. And we'll click on Activate Plugin. And that is it, guys. That is all the plugins that you're going to need are now officially installed on your WordPress website. So now we can really start to really dive into the design and starting to create your pages and your menus and all that cool, exciting stuff, right? It's going to start to really look like something now. So with that being said, thanks a bunch for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, then feel free to subscribe to my channel and also sign up for my free Internet Marketing Bootcamp down in the description box below this video. And if you are watching this in the bootcamp training, then feel free to move on down to the next video, and I will see you there.